In the commercial air conditioning division, we do work on anything from a small building to a large building to air conditioners that will go up into the chiller sizes, specialty units. We install units on tens of thousands of square feet, office buildings, warehouses, plants, manufacturing, commercial space, a lot of big ventilation systems in commercial space, warehouses, manufacturing, machine shops. We've worked on and done big commercial refrigeration on them. Besides the repair, we do the install, we'll do the change out. Normal office building, we have people that'll do our controls. If anybody's looking for controls in their buildings, we have people that'll do the control side. We have people who do the electrical side, the ventilation side of what it needs in commercial air conditioning. And we do a good bit of large installation of sheet metal work, exhaust systems in big buildings. We've done work for Disney, installing big units for them on their properties. We've done big work for SeaWorld over the years. Anything really to do with commercial, we will look at it and see if we can take care of the problem for the customer.
Munson AC.